Hello, Mr. Jones here. A couple of people had trouble with some of the trinomial factorizations in the homework, so we didn't get a chance to go through it in class, so I'm going to do that now in this little video. So I'll take the example u squared minus 10u plus 16. So, following the rules, we start by looking to see if there are any common factors in here. Well, there aren't, because there's nothing in front of u squared. No coefficient there, so there's no number that's a common factor. Apart from 1, but there's no point taking 1 out as a common factor. That wouldn't achieve anything. So then we look for difference of two squares. Well, no, this isn't a difference of two squares, is it? Because it's got 3 terms in. So then we're on to factorising a quadratic. So that's a pair of brackets. It's not too bad because we've not got a number in front of u squared. It's just one lot of u squared. So that means we can straight away put u and u. And those two things are going to multiply together to make the u squared. So that's a good start. Now, we've got now to find the number that goes here and here. So those two numbers are going to have to multiply to make 16, add to make minus 10. So, time for a little bit of thinking. Two numbers that multiply to make a positive number, add to make something negative. Well, if you guessed it, it's got to be two negative numbers. Two negative numbers. Now, we always start by looking at factor pairs here. So factor pairs of 16. Well, 1 and 16. But in fact here it would have to be negative 1 and negative 16, wouldn't it? Nope, those don't add to minus 10. What else? 2 and 8, but they're both going to have to be negative. Negative 2, negative 8. And that's it, isn't it? Because negative 2 add negative 8 makes negative 10. So we just stick them in. U minus 2, U minus 8. Then if we look at what we've got, just to check it, the u times u good makes u squared. The minus 2 times the minus 8 gives us 16. Great. Let's try a different colour for the u bits. The u times minus 8 minus 8u, and there's another minus 2u, so that comes to minus 10u, exactly as required. Job done. Excellent.